My name is Sayyid Amjad Shah and I am the son of Sayyid.
Yes, sir. My name is Mason, son of Kamal Basket from village Ajala Basket. I will tell for you some information and the beneficiation of villagers. So many trees and many facilities, many peaceful environment in village. So we can easily respire and not difficulties in respire in village. Many opportunities of agriculture farming in village. So what do you say at this point?
Every people that is born in the world is born in the hospitals, and hospitals are located in the cities.
Okay, there are I if we want made up hospital or any buildings in village, we can appeal with ministers and foreign ministers and minister of Pakistan. We can say that please made up of hospital in our village. So we can try it.
But every car is made in the city, not
What are you saying? I not understand your question.
because every car is made in cities, not villages.
Please tell me. Fine.
He said that every cars, every vehicles, they are made in cities. These cars are made in cities rather than villages.
We cannot need it villagers because our villagers is very fitted and very intelligent, running and walking. We can buy the many vehicles and many motorcycles and many cycles. We can buy it.
Why there is no school in the villages?
Well, I say that again I tell you I will appeal with ministers and many government officers. Please tell me many buildings in our school. School made up of in our village. Can say that.
If you want to buy a vehicle, then go to city because there are no schools in the
We can. I say that we can buy it vehicle from we go to city.
It means you are favoring his point that city has a platform in which you can purchase bikes. There is no any platform in the villages. You are confusing his point. You are confusing that. Then
I am not satisfied point. Why we go to city? Why? Okay, I go to city and most very important any things. Then I go to we go to in city. But by the way, we not always go in out in city. We can for most work or go city.
We have many buildings where you can buy things easily. We have many malls where children can enjoy.
We can buy the parks, many parks, because in the village many trees and many farming opportunities where we children easily play in many games.
If you want to buy glasses, where will you go to buy?
We can make up of buildings and but with the time we appeal with the foreign minister or government officer, we made up of highest secondary school in our village. With day by day.
I said that where will you buy glasses? If you want glasses, where will you go to buy glasses? Cities or village?
if you need to buy the fashionated glasses, if your eyesight is weak, you have to purchase the glasses from which place you will go to buy these glasses. This is his point.
I say that we can made up hospitals and for many facilities of a hospital, and we can say, appeal with the government officer, and we can made up hospital where we treat we doctor treat our poor villagers of. There are many opportunities in village. Village, our villagers use pure things, not mixture things bought from the trees. Because if we bought from trees, if we bought things from a city, we can ill, we can feel puzzled, not feel comfortable. We can feel respect difficulties. So we can use pure things in which have butter, milk, pure water, and fresh vegetables. And we can wake up early in the morning and sleep early in the morning. We can most villagers most probably vitamin get vitamin D from sun, and our homes is most protect for us, and many facilities and many opportunities for agriculture in village. So what I will say that.
And in the response of that, I said that we have many factories, and the sugar is made up of factories.
Because in a, you said that factory is situated in a city. City from factory from immediate bad fumes, immediate from many dirty chemical water. This is not good for health. So we can so that villagers are not like the factory. We if we need to factory, we can made up our factory away from village, and many shops which which imitate from fumes or dirty chemical or away from village. So what I say that must
We have filtered water. We have many machines that can filter water. We drink pure and filtered water.
we used to natural water in village life, because natural water is the most beneficial for health than filter machine water. We can use filter water from glaciers. Glaciers, you can understand. Glacier is the most for beneficial for health, and fresh water is not included in sodium carbohydrate. Many chemicals is not included.
If cities were gone, then the economy of the country is
What I say that
if the cities stop making money, then the economy of the countries will be down.
we can I say that we can made up of we can made up of many field and agriculture apartment, and cities come into village, and cities we can motivation citizen come into village.
You are not clearing his point. He said that if cities has been gone, then the economy will be so much down. So what you will do? What you will say about this point?
I'm not understand this point.
You are not understanding. You don't know about economy.
It's financial.
So tell him about the economy.
Economy, if a country has its own economy, then that country has a chance to be rich or poor.
What is I'm not understand.
He is not understanding. He said if the country has an economy, this country has the chances to become rich or poor. Are you understanding about this?
You say that the economy not. We can crop and we can sow and crop many vegetables and many fruits. We can getting from money from many countries.
If we want to go outside countries, we will go to city and book a plane. Then we will go. Not planes. There's no airport in.
We can book online board from the postal man.
Except plane. If we want to go another city, then we will book a plane. It is located and the airport is located in city. And all the planes are land in the city. None.
If we want appeal with government officer, we can made up of airport away from and nearby village. We can made up of airport. We can many transport system outside the village.
Where the electricity